psychiatrist, and my parents were supportive. So I managed to just say it on one of these interviews. I kid you not, my inbox was full of people who were like, I think I need a psychiatrist. It's just that nobody speaks about it.
Nobody.
And I'm
Mental
not allowed
health.
to see. I'm not allowed to see a doctor. I'm not allowed to see a therapist. What do I do? What do I do? So I was so glad. Then I was like, I guess, when you stop caring about what people think, you can help so many other people.
You can help somebody. When you come out,
You speak about your mental health. You speak about your challenges, and
exactly. And how people think that everyone's life is a hunky-dory. I don't know anyone whose life is hunky-dory, who hasn't been through something or the other. And you're and if you are out there just because you might be famous or you might be in the media, it doesn't mean that you're not going to hurt, or you're not going to have issues, or you're not going to have issues with your children or your parents or your husbands or your friends. Everyone's going to go through something. Or even physically challenged. And mental health, so मैं कहती हूँ कि when I talk about spirituality, when you're talking about that and yoga and reading the Quran and the Torah and all the other books, it is so important to enlighten yourself and to know more about things, ताकि जो भी challenges आएंगे, you can help others. You can help yourself.
And I have, because there's some people who write to me and they literally say, Anusha, today I'm feeling suicidal.
Yeah.
So I message them back and I'm like, listen to me. It does pass. We've been there, right? There's so many people who've been there. They just don't talk about it.
They don't want to.
There were some aunts in the US and I met them by chance and we were shopping in Macy's. She was like, how are you doing? I was like, good. How's the doctor? So she, very slowly, I was like, good. She's like, has he given you any medicine? I was like, yes. So she's like, which ones? So I told her. She took me into a corner and she's like, I haven't even told my husband and I've been taking medication for 6 years. Even my children don't know. मुझे पकड़ के बोल रही हैं Macy's के अंदर.
She needs to confide in someone and she needs to know what she's doing is right.
Imagine कि क्या stress होगा उन पे कि वो एक चीज़ के लिए तो मदद लेने की कोशिश कर रही हैं और वो भी नहीं बता सकती हैं. वो तो अपनी बेचारी she's working on her health. पर मुझे भी ये कहा गया था when I was seeing a psychiatrist back in the day while I was with this person and he was just like, please don't tell my parents. I was like, why? I don't want them thinking I'm like dating somebody who's crazy.
But that's again thing, na?
Hearing something like that, I was like, I think instead of being supported for going and trying to figure it out, वो है, वो अभी भी है कि इसको तो पागल खाने भेज दो. Now I get really triggered. I'm like, पागल खाना. It's a serious issue, yaar.
Yeah, but that's what they used to do.
Or we were talking about this the other day. We were like, oh, this girl, she's erratic. Poor girl's bipolar. I was like,
you can't just use that word.
Can't use that. And I get it. I know that millennials are getting sensitive about everything. Yeah. You can't call him fat. You can't call him black. You can't call her bipolar. But I was like, dude, it's a medical condition. You can't just say, oh, yeah. It's like, you can't say something like, I don't know, whatever. It's not coming to my mind right now. Yeah. But it's a medical condition. It's not like a degrading thing even to say. It's not insulting. Yeah. It's actually a problem that people suffer with genuinely.
Yeah, 60 to 70% people have depression. So depression at some point in everybody's life over here is going to hit. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी है.
और mild depression तो I think बहुत Pakistanis को mild depression तो by 90% population को होगी.
Exactly.
Mild level.
Look at what we live in.
परेशानी.
हम लोग anxiety. अरे खड्डे खुदे हुए हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ.
फिर आपकी जो ये चरस होता है या ये तंबाकू होता है, फिर ये गुटखा होता है, फिर ये हेरोइन हो जाता है, फिर ये बीवी को मारना होता है. ये लोग कहते हैं कि पागल आदमी है. It's a depression and anger.
Triggers हैं कहीं और कहीं ना कहीं से आ रहे हैं.
सब outlets हैं क्योंकि इनको दवाई नहीं मिल रही, इनको थेरेपी नहीं मिलती.
Stress है.
इनको और कोई सुनने वाला नहीं होता.
पैसा ही नहीं है भाई, पैसा भी नहीं है लोगों के पास.
पैसा भी नहीं है.
सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम तो
मेडिकल केयर भी इतना महंगा है.
So everything is, तो उनको कौन समझाए? I mean रोज मैं पढ़ती हूँ. अभी आज मैं पढ़ी थी कि 8 साल की स्टेप डॉटर को की शक्ल जला दी. लड़ाई हुई बीवी से. 8 साल की. तो 25% burns on her body. It's through petrol
and
on
it's
her.
not just burning her body.
Torturing the child.
It's the end of her life.
End of her life और उसको torture किया just to punish the wife. तो इस तरह ये चलती आ रही हैं चीज़ें और हमारे culture में होता रहता है. And we to still come from families जो के जिनको चीज़ें पता हैं. They are coming from places where they have the information. Poor people don't have that information. They don't understand. And you're right. It's a big
उनको क्या देंगे? I'm telling you, this lady lives in New Jersey.
Yeah.
And she's like, oh, my husband doesn't know. I've
So
been on it for 7 years.
Yeah. No, my mother's had 3 nervous breakdowns. She's always suffered from this bipolar stuff or whatever. And, you know, so I've lived with it and I've seen it. And it was, in my family, obviously, again, culture taught. My father wanted to hide it from the entire family, but everybody knew.
My father was also real conscious. Yeah, my mother was definitely more supportive.
You know, hide.
I guess because men तो बेचारे वो तो बोल भी नहीं सकते. आप और मैं तो फिर भी रो लें या किसी को बोल दिया कि हाँ मुझे थेरेपी चाहिए. जब मर्द बोलेगा तो उसका तो पूरा खानदान. I mean, you know, we talk so much about women's rights as we should. But I've really seen some men struggle with their mental health.
Of course.
And the inability to express themselves. We women are so much better to express their emotions. रो लिया या बोल भी दिया क्योंकि वैसे ही हर जगह से गालियाँ पड़ रही. अब हस्बैंड अगर बोल दे
अंदर रख
तो यानी कि पूरा खानदान यहाँ से वहाँ हो जाएगा ना. बीवी तो हो सकती है कमजोर.
पहले ना वो घर को सपोर्ट भी कर रहा है.
उसके ऊपर नहीं कि उसको
बहुत प्रेशर डाल नहीं है. हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. So everybody
चाहिए आपकी जरूरत.
Everybody needs it. Everybody needs it.
Everybody.
Yeah. तो हमेशा कहती हूँ थेरेपी की जरूरत भी